Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down to reset options, and here we've got reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. So let's tap on this option, tap on reset settings. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock and be aware that you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings and wait a second. As you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.